Resolve issues in record time with punch lists. With a fast and intuitive interface, record and share action items with your team in the office without having to wait for the team member in the field to get back from a site visit. Capture important project information while in the field, and the punch list will automatically update across all platforms, from mobile to desktop. Generate comprehensive professional reports at the click of a button to share with team members and clients. Your team will always have access to the latest information with punch lists, dramatically minimizing response times. Schedule a free demo today.